Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube for 2 times if you want so as the second time using the Petrus method, which is an old method which is extinct and no more used in WCA or any comps. So for the Petrus method, the rule is you'll solve a big block, then you'll solve not the cross, which is part of an ordinary method. You'll solve it block by block, then you'll the 2 by 2 by 3 block, which is something like this. After that, you will build the rest with something like that and leave the last 4 keyhole for experts and do it in the other way for beginners. So that's how you do it. Then I'm just going to show it how to do it. I'm not using the last layer of the Petrus method but the last layer of the CFOP method, but for the rest I'm going to do it with my PC. I took CS timer, then I'm going to time my solve. So I'm not good at Petrus, so I don't know how much seconds I would be at. So let's go on to the scramble. Then I'm going to just have a spectrate and then I'm ready, so let's go. I'm not gonna solve the cross first of all, that's not a rule. So I solved the Petrus, then I have this already done, so I'm going for the rest. Oops, I made a mistake, a large mistake of course. So I took the other piece instead of that one. Literally, that made this go away. So we have the other piece. So inserted this much. Then I have the last one. Oh, it's 33 seconds. I didn't wish that much. I thought it would be faster for me. But see, it's now getting spoiled. And oh, I'm getting stuff with the... Okay, now finally the oil. And got to the PLL and whoosh. That was 58 seconds and it was okay because I did it in Petrus method. Then let's go through a quick review what I would get in CFOP. For those who don't know how much I would get in CFOP, let's go to it. Oh my god, I started the timer. Okay, so I'm going to give it a random scramble. Okay, so this is the scramble I've got. Now I'm going to solve it. Okay. So I'm going to start my solve on this. It was an easy one, though. Wait, that was a PL skip. So that was about a few seconds. Now I'm going to just give it, oh my god, I just started the timer, so I'll stop it. So I'm just going to give it some other scramble. Then I'm going to semi-solve it, not completely, something like that, and then I'm going to just insert that pair right there. And what I'm just gonna show you a quick preview of what I did for the last layer. And I'm gonna go for whoosh, that one, then that one. And last layer, this is an usual case in CFOP method where you can do the PLO, the OLO. Then after that you get this, then you do the PLO. But in the Petrus method, they end up with something like this. Then they do a different algorithm for this one, which is something like that. Then they solve it. That's called Petrus method. Now I'm not doing that still. Let me give you another CFOP solve with the timer. So, alright, I'm gonna shuffle first. Okay, so this is what I got. So I'm gonna just inspect and start the timer and go with all of the things. And I'm done. That was 8 seconds, good. I didn't think I would get so fast, and my average is about 10 and I like it. And a few days ago I averaged on 20, then I got lucky, then I just got fast at cubing, then I got a 10, and And that's it for today's video, but those who watch till end, I have a special thing for you. I'm going to do a 2x2 solve and the timing as well, because I have the serious timer in front of me. So I'm going to give it a shuffle, and I shuffled the cube, and it was like a magic shuffle. I hit and this shuffle. Now I'm going to solve it. You can see that there's no same colors on any of the sides, so that proves it's hard enough. As you can see, blur. Now I'm going to start the timer, and I've learned EG2 and EG1 and CLL, which is a part of OR getter method. So let's go. I'm good at it. So I kind of recognize this case, and it's easy. And I'm done. That was 2 seconds. And for world record for this was 0.65, and I wish I could get it, and I'm trying to reach it, and I need a better cube for that for sure. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching the CS timer doing my scrambles. Bye.